Tesla hits the Kindred Care Hospital building in Ontario, California. Update. Alright, I spoke with the doctor after I uploaded the first video of this Tesla running itself into the Kindred Care Hospital building. The doctor, I told her I heard two different stories. What happened? She says, I'm sitting in my car and the car took off and ran into the building. It happened to be right there by the doctor's lounge. The other side of the wall where it hit was the entrance into the hospital. So good thing it went where it hit the hospital building where it did, so that it would have went through the building. So thank God for that. Alright, so with no further ado, I'll show you more of this car.
Here in Ontario, California. And this is a Tesla, everybody. Can't trust these automatic cars. I hear those people buy these cars and then they sleep on their way to work. What if he was on the freeway? What if? I mean, shoot. Remember, electrical fails. Computers fail. You can't put your trust in that, you know? But to see this Tesla up close and personal, look, it's all glass. Got like this tinted sunroof all the way. Pretty cool. All right, we got a tow truck here ready to come in. And yeah, I can't stress enough, you cannot trust these automatic cars. They fail, you know, they're not foolproof. And you got people driving them sleeping. And that's foolish. And here's a perfect example of that. So, here we're at the Kindred Hospital. Intensive care, that is, for those that don't know. I'm in Ontario, California. This car did not stop. There's two stories. One, she was pulling in and it didn't stop. The other one, she was parked and it just took off on its own. So what is it? Bottom line is the computer failed and electrical shorts, you know? You got to be wise when it comes to driving. And please do not put your 100% trust in these self-driving cars, you know. Who's here? I'm having a hard time seeing the chat. Well, hi, Smell-O-Vision, and how you doing? Trying to see who else is in here. Hello, Ken and Smell-O-Vision. Hi. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for joining us. Again, we've got tow truck, police department, fire department just left. And I really like the design, though, on this Tesla's sunroof. I mean, it goes from the front to the back. It's like one continuous glass roof, which is really cool. All right, we'll get a shot of that. Pretty amazing. That sunroof. You can see, I'm sure this is designed for the electric, to pitch the electric, I'm assuming. I'm going to have to see if I can. I'm going to have to put this in here where I can see. No problem, I can't stay long. But, yeah, interesting. Okay. Yeah, it's not broken, fix it. Yeah, you might like my vanity video on the custom marble middle inlay in the middle custom layout. Driving them.
Yeah, I've seen them. That they drive by themselves.
I was in one time.
Really?
I was very uncomfortable.
You don't know how it's safe or not.
Yeah, I mean, the guy says, "Hey, watch this." He takes his hands off the wheel, off the gas and everything, and he's just sitting there. The car stops at the stoplight. It takes off when the light turns green.
Wow.
And then it kept its distance because of the sensors between the cars. It kept this perfect space.
Wow.
But I'm going, I was totally uncomfortable.
Yeah, it's uncomfortable. Maybe that's just falling asleep, no?
Yeah. And then this is my concern. Wiring fails. Computers, chips fail.
No, what about the
You know, things heat up.
Yeah.
Shorts.
Yeah.
No. Now, my wife, we have this hybrid, and that has a sensor. Somebody gets too close, it'll beep, 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 and lets you know you got to put on the brake. No, it'll start braking for you. If it gets really close, it'll start automatic, but then you got to hit your brakes. It's not 100%.
Wow, that's crazy, man.
Yeah, but that's where it needs to stop, is right there. Not 100%. Although Tesla does produce a good car.
They're nice cars and expensive.
Very. That's why a doctor owns it. That's a tow truck driver right there. So, yeah. Well, I guess we'll get another look at this up close and personal before we walk away. And you can see the building stop this. All right. Get another angle here. Definitely stop this car. This is the doctor's lounge. But she wasn't trying to park her car in the lounge. The car just short-circuited. And there you have it. Well, I think everyone... Let's see... Jake... Lyndon, thanks for being here, Jake. How are you? How do you like this Tesla? Well, not this one, but Teslas in general. I really like that sunroof that goes from front to back. I mean, look at this thing. It just goes all the way to the front. This sunroof. I think that's cool myself. But how structurally sound is it? How safe is it in an accident? I'm assuming it should be, but I don't know enough about it to know. But err on the side of caution. Not put 100% trust in these automatic, 100% smart cars that do all the driving for you. And please don't go to sleep in one of these things, and this is why. If you own one, do not go to sleep while driving. This could be you on a freeway, dead. Oh no, it'll be okay. It should be fine structurally. It's going to be what it is. But yeah, here's the entry to Kindred Hospital here in Ontario, California. Wow. Well,
Thank God nobody was hurt.
yeah, doctor wasn't hurt. Building's got quite a bit of damage here. So, let's see, can we get a good look at what it looks like on the inside of this Tesla? Let's see. There's the inside of this Tesla, folks. Up close and personal.
Can't really see him.
Okay, pretty cool. So please, you cannot trust these automatic 100% smart cars that do all your driving for you. So don't fall asleep. I hear there's people that own them. Go to sleep. Please don't. This could be you on the freeway. Killed yourself, others around you. Be responsible if you own one of these cars, and do not trust this car 100%. Okay, well, you have a great day. Look forward to hearing from you. Like, subscribe, share out this video, and tell people to beware. You can't trust electronics or computers 100% ever. Alright, so we're signing out. Easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal right here in downtown, not downtown, right here in Ontario, California. Bye for now. Bye.
On the Tesla, something I didn't notice or didn't pick up when I was doing my first video was there was no airbags deployed. There was none in the car. You couldn't see into the car very well due to the glare, but there wasn't any airbags. Now, is this car just designed to where it has to be a certain miles per hour before they go off on impact? Or did the airbags fail to go off? That's good. That's, I don't know that answer. Who does? Do you know if they should have? Is Tesla's cars designed so that the airbags go off at a certain impact? Far as I know, it doesn't matter. They're going off at a, least little bump. So anyways, I found it impressive that the glass roof on the top, it went from the back all the way to the front windshield there. It wasn't cracked. There was no damage done to the sunroof at all. And that shows some quality. But nonetheless, you cannot trust electronics. It's a computer chip. And things overheat and short out and have trouble. So don't put your trust in these Teslas 100%, please. And if you're sleeping in them, please don't sleep in them. Do not. This could have been you. So remember, easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. It's easy 2 tips and tricks, etc. So bye for now. Take care. Never give up. Tell a friend. Share my video. And I look forward to hearing from you. So bye for now. Catch you on the next one. Never give up because there's always a way. Always.